Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English Academy. Guys, please like, share, comment, follow and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now in this video we will study about the poem Ode to the West Wind, which was written by P.B. Shelley. Guys, before discussing about the poem, we must know about the poet P.B. Shelley. Guys, do you know that who was P.B. Shelley and in which age he belongs in the English lit? In which age he belongs to the age of English literature? Guys, the full name of P.B. Shelley is Percy Bysshe Shelley. He belongs to younger generation of the Romantic age in English literature. Guys, he was born in 4th August in 1792. He was educated at Eton in University College, Oxford. Guys, in his college time, Shelley was called the lady of the college because he was extraordinary handsome. Guys, Shelley was revolutionary by nature. His contemporary poets were William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Lord Byron, Robert Southey and John Keats. Guys, like other romantic poets, he was greatly affected by the French Revolution. Guys, he was born at the time when the common people were suffering under the tyranny, injustice and oppression of the political rulers. He had a great sympathy for the suffering of mankind. Guys, he wanted to bring about a revolution in the society as well as in politics of his times. The French Revolution also greatly affected him. This revolution was based on the democratic principles of liberty, equality and fraternity. Guys, he wanted to abolish a new order in its place, but his revolutionary enthusiasm, he was banished from his home as well as his country. He had to live like a prisoner at Florence in Italy. All his freedom was taken away from him. Now he was leading life of misery and frustration. But he never gave up the dream of new social and political system. He always hoped that the time will come when mankind shall be free from tyranny, injustice and the oppression of the political rulers. Guys, he was both a pessimist and optimist. He was pessimist about himself and optimist about a bright future of mankind. Guys, the poet is one of the most eminent poets of the Romantic age. He wrote so many poems. Out of them, his most famous poems are The Revolt of Islam, The Most of Anarchy and The Prometheus Unbound. Guys, Ode to the West Wind is also his famous lyric poem. For the vast majority of his readers, Shelley is and will remain a lyrical poet par excellence. His lyricism is the keynote of his poetry. Like Byron, he was inspired by the idealism of political action. Guys, Shelley died at the age of 30 by drowning in a boat in accident in 1822. Guys, after discussing about the poet, we will study about the theme and historical background of the poem Ode to the West Wind. Guys, Ode to the West Wind is one of the finest lyric of the P.B. Shelley, of the poet P.B. Shelley. Guys, do you know that what is lyric? Guys, lyric is a poem presents deep feeling and emotions of the poet rather than telling a story or presenting a witty observation. An ode is a lyric poem that uses lofty, dignified language to, to address a person or things. Guys, in the poem Ode to the West Wind, the poet addresses the west wind as a powerful force and asks it to scatter the poet's words throughout the wind. Guys, this poem was composed in autumn in 1819 and was published in 1820. After, complete, After completion of its composition writings, the poem is remarkable for its lyricism and solace and the poet's revolutionary enthusiasm. It is well-known nature poem and also has a deep interest. Guys, Shelley wrote this poem in the woods of Florence in Italy. It was written in a day when the west wind is blowing. This poem is a form of a prayer to the west wind. Here the poet describes the affected by the west wind over the earth, the sky and the oceans. The first three stanzas of the poem describes the powers of the west wind. The fourth stanza is autobiographical in the last stanza he gives a message of joy and hope to the suffering of mankind. Guys, now I am going to describe the structure of the poem. Guys, Ode to the West Wind is a lyric of great complexity. It is divided into 5 cantos of 14 lines each. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABA, CBC, EFE, FGF and GG. It shows that each stanza of the poem is divided into 4 triplets of 3 lines each and a couplet at the end. Thus, the construction of the poem is a little complex. The images are used in the poem are beautiful and suggestive, vivid and concrete. The poem has been praised by all for its lyrical quality. It is a perfect piece of art because it is faultless. The epithets used in this poem is loaded with emotional intensity. Guys, there is no other song in the whole of the English literature that is more powerful and forceful. The language of the poem is descriptive. The first 3 cantos of the poem are the descriptions of the power of the west wind over the earth, the sky and the ocean. But the fourth stanza of the poem is autobiographical. Thus the general and the personal elements are combined in the poem. The choice of words is so appropriate that nothing can be removed or replaced. On the whole, poem is a beautiful lyric. Thank you guys for watching the video. Guys, don't forget to like the video. Guys, if you have any problem, please suggest it in comment box. Thank you.